The head of the IRS division that targeted Tea Party groups has been put on administrative leave. That happened right after she invoked her Fifth Amendment right and refused to answer questions at a House committee hearing. Our legal guys are back. Avery Friedman in Cleveland and Richard Herman in Las Vegas. All right, gentlemen. So Lois Lerner appeared before the committee saying she broke no laws or IRS rules before she pleaded the Fifth. Take a listen.
I have not done anything wrong. I have not broken any laws. I have not violated any IRS rules or regulations, and I have not provided false information to this or any other congressional committee. And while I would very much like to answer the committee's questions today, I've been advised by my counsel to assert my constitutional right not to testify or answer questions related to the subject matter of this hearing.
All right, Richard, you first. Can you have it both ways, plead the Fifth, and then also make a statement, as she did? I mean, well, I guess she did have it both ways, didn't she? How long will that last?
She had it her way, but that's not the right way, and I think she waived her privilege. I really do. You're not allowed to get up there and assert your innocence and say you didn't do this, and I didn't do that, and I didn't do this, but I've been advised not to answer any more questions. I think that's a waiver. Legal scholars will debate this. I don't know how it's going to come down. She's on administrative leave right now. And, you know, like in the Martha Stewart case where there was allegations of securities fraud, but that's not what she was convicted of. They were convicted of lying to the feds. In this instance here, we don't know if any crimes have been committed here, but perhaps there's been perjury to Congress, and those will be the criminal charges, if any are brought.